Touch-up paint for a variety of needs coming up next. Welcome to the Dupli-Color Garage. My name is Brian, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate another great product from Dupli-Color, our Universal Touch-Up program. Now, since 1938, Dupli-Color has been the leader in OEM exact match touch-up paint for the finish on your vehicle. However, scratches happen pretty much most anywhere, around your house, around the shop, or even in other areas on your vehicle, like your wheels. Now, curb rash is definitely a real thing. We're all not perfect drivers, right? We may hit a curb or two over time, you get some damage on your wheels, we have a perfect solution to get that touched up. We have a variety of colors in the Universal Touch-Up program based on your needs. Now, sitting up here on the bench, I have a black wheel that was sitting around the shop and also a silver wheel that I pulled off of my own car. It's a 2008, recently bought it used. It does have some curb rash here on the wheel. I'm gonna grab the silver and one of the blacks and show you how easy it is to touch up and use. Now, Universal Touch-Up is perfect for those small chips or even the large scratches. Everything you need is right here in this tool, including the prep. Of course, you're gonna have that loose paint or rust on the wheel or whatever you're touching up. You got a prep tip right here used to clean it. If you have those small chips, you can use the pen tip right on top where the paint flows right through, and then underneath the cap for those large chips, paintbrush for those applications. Use the abrasive prep tip to remove dirt, rust, and loose paint, and thoroughly clean the area to be touched up with rubbing alcohol. With the cap on, shake the tool for 5 minutes before use to mix the paint. For pen tip application, press the tip onto a piece of practice material which will allow the paint to flow through the tip. Once paint is flowing, apply in one even direction. Always apply paint in a well-ventilated area. For brush tip application, unscrew the cap, wipe off any excess paint from the brush on the edge of the tube reservoir, and apply to the surface in one even direction. Allow the paint to dry for 30 minutes after each coat, or if clear coat is needed. After each use, place the cap back on the reservoir and store in a cool, dry location. All right, I have the wheels completely touched up. Things are looking good, and it really is just that easy. Just give it a good wipe down, make sure it's clean, apply the paint, let it dry, and you're good to go. Now, with the Dupli-Color Universal Touch-Up offering, with the variety of colors that we have, I'm certain that you'll find exactly what you need for the general purpose touch-up needs around your house or your shop. Now, one thing to keep in mind though, for touch-up, to get down to the bare aluminum or the bare metal, you're bound to get rust or corrosion, so that's also a good way to protect your investment. For more information about the Dupli-Color Universal Touch-Up offering and other products from Dupli-Color, visit duplicolor.com.